In this video, I'll be unboxing the new iPhone 17. Before we get any further, consider subscribing and liking the video. So I went and picked this up last night. This is the iPhone 17 Black. As you can see, it's just a base model with 256 gigabytes, plenty of storage for me. So let's go and get right into this. Come onto the back like so. I'll just go and hide the important information. At the bottom here, you're going to go and see the tear strip. And what we can do is we can go and grab that or pull it up. And we're going to go and pull it across like so. There we go. Now we can go and put it back, and I'll gently go and lift it off just like this. We can go and pull it a bit as well. And then on the top, we should go and see the iPhone immediately. As you can see, that will go and come off like this. Now what you can do is you can go and grab the tab at the bottom, and it'll come and lift out really nicely like so. So not much does come in the box. You can see what we've got here. We've got the USB-C to USB-C cable, which can be used for charging. You've got the SIM pin as well. This will go and lift out, and in the back here, you've got some paperwork with some useful documentation in, which I won't really need. Now, what we can do is we can come onto the phone itself. So you can go and see it here. Really nice premium. On the back here, it is metallic, as you can see. On the side, you've got the rockers. Then you've got the buttons here as well. So now let's go and do the satisfying part, which is going to be peeling this off. We'll go and put it like that, and it'll get a nice ping at the bottom. And now we can go and start using it. So what we need to do is go and tap and hold the side power button like so. It should come with some charge. We're going to have a full set of guide you can check out.